Alright guys, I bought this dual front and rear camera VAVA dash cam. I've had the VAVA, the front cam only, in 2 of my vehicles, and I've been extremely happy with it. And I saw that they came out with a dual front and rear camera for the car, and I figured I'd give it a shot. The big things I like about it is that it's got loop recording. You can pull it up on your phone from their app and view exactly what the camera's viewing at the time you're in your car. The only downside of this camera is it doesn't have GPS, but if you purchase this right here, it's just like a GPS module. You hook, you connect with the line, and bam, it now has GPS. So I've already installed it in the car. So far, it works just like the other ones. No problems. Installation's a breeze. But when I looked online before I purchased this, I didn't see any VAVA dual cam video at all. I could find one that was, I think, in Chinese or something, but I couldn't understand it. So I figured I'd make this and throw it out there and see what you guys, give me my input on it. But I'm going to take you out to the car and show you how it's set up, and we'll go from there. All right, we're in my car, and the VAVA dash cam sitting up top in the front, right side. I'll hit my accessory button and it'll turn it on. You hear the little chime, it turns it on. And it's got one wire connected that I've got run across the roof, down the pillar, right over here, underneath the glove box, through the center console, and then into the supplied cigarette lighter adapter, so you can plug in the USB, is how I've got it powered. Now for the rear camera, it goes across the roof, along the window frame in the headliner, to the back where the camera is right there, facing to the rear. I'll show you the app view of it. It'll actually have like a picture-in-a-picture to where the rear camera shows you a tiny little screen, and then it's the regular rest of your screen on your phone would be the front camera. You can also change it to view rear only or rear the front only. Or just have it as a picture-in-a-picture. But the next couple clips, I'll show you front view, rear view, and then of course the dual, and I'll insert those in here. The GPS module and the camera both I bought on Amazon. I will put links in the description down below. That way you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But so far, it's typical VAVA dash cam. I've owned 2 of them already. I took the one out of this car and put it in my wife's car. And then my other one is in my son's car, and I love it. I love it. For my son, I can monitor his speeds, see if he's using his turn signal, running stop signs, just to ensure that he's driving properly. And I think that really helped him as a young driver to ensure that he, drove properly. So I'm going to end it here. I'll insert a couple clips of me driving the car with the dash cam so you can see the picture quality. It is not 100% the greatest, but it's not bad, especially when I only paid like $125, something like that. Also, you can put a memory card in it. You have to put a memory card in it, anywhere from 16 G to 128. I opted for the 128. It'll hold more video, and it's only like 19 bucks, 20 bucks on Amazon. So I just went with the biggest one that you can put in it. And but installation is a breeze. All right, thanks guys. I'll talk to you in the next one. All right guys, here's the front and rear dash cam video I promised you. I think the picture quality is pretty amazing, especially for a camera that's only a little over $100 to get a front and rear. I'm pretty impressed with it. I'm liking it. You can see in the watermark, it's got the GPS speed, shows how fast you're going, date, time. It records in 3-minute, 2-minute, or 1-minute increments. It's your choice. I'm impressed. I don't think you can go wrong with the purchase of a VAVA camera, dash cam. Appreciate your views. You give me a thumbs up, maybe even subscribe. That'd be great. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. All right, guys. Well, that's going to be my opinion about the VAVA dash cam. I'm in love with it. I'm definitely well worth the money. Definitely well worth the money. Ease of installation is a breeze. You don't have to be any electronic wizard to get it installed in your car. In the end, I'm going to show you, if you opt for the single front camera only VAVA dash cam, I will put a clip that I got from my son's dash cam of my car driving by in a drive-by, and you can see the picture quality of that one also. I think that's in 60 frames per second. The dual dash cam is only in 30 frames per second, but you really can't tell much difference at all. But anyway, that's my opinion of the VAVA dash cam, and I give it a definite thumbs up. It's great. Do me a favor, subscribe. Maybe give me a like. I'd appreciate it. I'm just starting out, just trying to get a few Mustang things out there, but I'd appreciate the subscribe and the like. You guys take care. I'll see you on the next video.